Let's make sausage rolls. You'll need 1 sheet of puff pastry cut into 12 equal squares. You'll need 1 pound of ground sausage. Divide the sausage into 12 fairly equal balls. Next, roll the sausage balls into small log shapes. Roll each sausage log onto each puff pastry square and seal with egg wash. Place the sausage roll seam side down onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Make markings on each with the back of a knife. This is just for decoration. Brush the tops with egg wash. Bake 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. When done baking, serve these sausage rolls with your favorite sides, but don't forget the Branston pickles. They are a must. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.